You can better understand a company if you understand its history, but you can really understand the history of a company if you understand its people. And so one of the things that I've found being in HR, one of the HR professionals at Saft, is that we have many people that have been here for years and years and years. When you have a group of people that have worked together for a long time, they're specialized in what they do, they're dependent upon each other, they become like family.
For the last 25 years, I have traveled the world to Saft sites, Saft's customers, Saft suppliers, and I have seen some of the most impressive cultures and peoples all over the world. It's been a tremendous experience. Saft has sites all the way from Australia and China, through Israel and India, throughout Europe, throughout the United States, and I've been to all of them. And it's been a wonderful experience because Saft has so many great cultures that make up this company.
So in our everyday world at Saft, for the space and the defense activity that we have here, we deal with some of the world's leading experts in batteries. These are people that have dedicated their whole life to just one simple aspect of the battery, one type of material, one weld. There are welding experts that's all they do all of their life. These are people we deal with all the time. Similarly, we have customers like that we've dealt with over the years. Some people that I've been dealing with for more than 20 years, I still see them in design reviews, and they're asking about microamps and parts per million of these materials. These are people that have certainly been enduring over the years, and we have really good relationships with them, and they look to us for our expertise as well.
People have always asked me, what makes Saft successful year in and year out? The people that make Saft great. It's not the management, it's not the marketplace, it's the people. All our people come into work every day wanting to do a better job and to push Saft over the horizon.
And so when we understand how those people, how they frame the background of all of the technology, all of the great things that Saft is doing, when we understand that it's really people that's behind that, then that helps us to understand Saft a little bit better.